Here's my movie app for this week. I can sort by the genre. Right now it's just taking from what's available and what's already put in the system. I can search by the title. I can sort by the release date. Here's my edit. I can edit it back to list. The details shows the image of the movie. The create new has the genre Dropbox. I gave it an orange background and different fonts. I changed the title to be appropriate to the church idea, and all the movie titles are religious. So, I believe I hit everything that the assignment required for this week.